Broadway style. Park Place Mall had an elevator like this too at their Macy's, but that closed.
There's no basement, is there?
There is, but it's not accessible.
You look, the 4K60 causes the fluorescent light to like illuminate weird.
I know. Look at that. See, original 60s cab. Okay. They should use the freight elevator.
That's why I'm like, door closed, door closed.
Well, there is a way to get to the basement.
Right here.
There's also no, it's not gonna work.
Oh.
And I'll show you how you can. This is how you do it. You go like. You go like that. Oh, did they change the code?
They probably changed the code.
It's coded, but if you get the code correct, it'll work. They probably saw my videos of me doing this.
Yeah, because it's such a simple code. Now that lady's probably gonna get on, so I'm gonna stop the video.
Oh no, we're going down. Oh, it looks like it's gonna go. Just stay on.
Yeah.